In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stickers in Canva in just 5 minutes. So, grab your creative hats and let's dive into the exciting world of digital design. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, we're ready to start creating. Now that we're on the home page, you'll want to look for the Templates section. This is where Canva shines, offering a broad range of designs that make the creative process faster and more efficient. Feel free to explore, but for today's task, let's navigate directly to sticker templates. For those who have a specific vision or brand in mind, you might consider starting a design from scratch. This option provides unlimited flexibility to create something truly unique that reflects your style and identity. Think about the colors, icons, or text that would best represent your message on a sticker. If you're opting for a ready-made solution, then search for stickers using the search bar located within the Templates section. This will bring up a gallery of pre-designed sticker templates that you can easily work with. Once you find one that catches your eye, go ahead and click on that template. You'll be taken to a new page where you can see different sticker options related to that theme. Having found the perfect sticker template, click on it to start customizing. It's here where we can really get creative. You can change text, colors, add elements, or upload your own logos and images. For a little tip, use the color palette tool to ensure your stickers complement your existing branding and pop just right in any context they're used. After you've completed the design and are happy with the result, move towards the top of the Canva interface and click on the Share button. This step is crucial, as sharing opens up options not just for collaboration, but also for downloading. Now, click on Download and choose from the list of available file types. PNG is a popular choice because it maintains high quality and supports transparency. Great for sticker designs, especially if you plan to print them. Once you select the file format, hit that Download button again, and in just a few moments, your custom stickers will be saved onto your device, ready to enhance any project with a personal touch. And there you have it. You've just turned your ideas into digital stickers, all thanks to the power and simplicity of Canva. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing your design skills and stay creative. See you in the next video.